Have you ever prayed and wondered, God, why can't I hear you? Sometimes God isn't absent because He's silent. He's silent because He's teaching us to trust on Him and not our feelings. God's voice often comes as a gentle whisper, not in the noise of fear, worry, and busyness. Spend time in God's Word. Be still and keep seeking Him. The God that knows your name has not forgotten you. Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46 verses 10. So I want to encourage you today. Keep listening. God is speaking and He is closer than you think. May you have a blessed week, and may we go in this week and know, be still and know that I'm God. Psalm 46 verses 10.